So guys, welcome back again to please permit me to maintain some freshness. Thank you. Some of you, okay, I say welcome back. Some of you are disgracing me. You come to my email, you are disgracing me and disgracing me. Okay, it's because some of you do not know. You'll be saying, okay, let me come and tell you updates. If I send this fine girl, this cute immigration princess for the very first time, I started a series lately, pay me packages, how to move to Canada and pay money, how to this, how to that. If you've not seen the video, I'll put in the link in my description box. I titled it pay me packages. Just click it, you see the video. So some of you that are still sending me email is like, you don't see the updates. I'm like, and that's why so the update is Canada work permit is no longer 2 years. It is now 3 years. Sure, you people do not understand English. It's now 3 years. Odumeta. 3 years. In that my first video, I said 2 years, but now it is now 3 years. See, 1, 2, 3 years. You get? Wait, so you see me? I'm interested in it. No, now. And these 3 years, who is eligible? Like I said, all jobs are available. Whether you're a dustbin picker, whether you're an accountant, whether you're a teacher, whether you're a pharmacist. I know that some people require to write professional exam, but like I said, I have for skilled, I have for semi-skilled, I have for skilled. Everybody's eligible. Shall send me your CV, your consultation money. I have to do the online assessment to see the NOC code that you fall in. I be the tier that you fall in. And then we take off from there. You got me? You take off from there. So stop coming to me and saying 2 years. You are really doing my hair 40. You are if you know what I went through with those agents that 3 years more fair. And another thing is it has changed to 3 years, but guess what? The price did not change. It's still the same price. Same price as the 2 years. It's same price as the 5 years, as the 3 years. You know, just like that UK one. That is actually what that UK one. That is actually you have price for 2 years, 3 years, and 5 years. This one, the price is the same. The same. There is no changes. And some of you are asking us, what of your partners? Can your partners go with you? How many times did I answer that question? How many times? Obviously, yes, it is work permit. Yes. And the thing is, will your partner get permit? Obviously, yes. You get the permit, your partner gets another permit. You as a main applicant, you get closed work permit. That means you can't change employer, you can't change job, right? While your partner gets an open work permit, they can work with any employer, they can work with any job. And that is why I made it mandatory. One of the essence of that consultation is for you to keep doing the job you do in Nigeria, in Canada, because 3 years is a whole lot of time to be stuck with an employer. Imagine some of you that want to leave Nigeria as an accountant to go and do care job. When you know, say, no, that one, you know, reach your mind, you will feel frustrated. I mean, I don't want any of my clients to feel frustrated and be saying, tell me, it's not easy. Can you come now? I want it to be easy for you, as it will be easy for all of us. That is what I want. So that's why, bring your CV. Let me see where I feel place you. Even if you are doing supervisor work in Nigeria, you can turn to, something lesser. So when you get to Canada, you know that, because like I said, you're stuck with one employer and their same job for the next 3 years. 3 years is a whole lot of time to be going for anyhow job. Anyhow job. You got me? So some of you that maybe you are doing restaurant work in Nigeria before, you still go to Canada and still be doing your restaurant work. That means there's career progression. And again, because of visa. Like I said, I can get you employment, but the thing is visa application. So for Canada, like I said, I used to say UK, anything can go. But for Canada, you have to show career progression. Don't be changing, maybe you are this in Nigeria and then you want to go and do that. Even me, that I'm not the consul that go, I know you are lying. You are lying. You are lying. You are lying. I know you're lying. I know you're lying. I know you're lying. I know you're lying. So, like I said, 3 years work permit. Send your CV. And send your CV for consultation. I have to do the online assessment. As much as if I see your CV, I can say, but I have to still upload it online and check. Then also you can see alternatives for you and every other thing. So moving on, don't send me and say you're interested in 2 years work permit. I will start charging you people money. When you say 2 years, I'll tell you there's 3 years for 1 million extra. So you go take but like I said, 2 years, 3 years is still the same. This thing, I had to fight for that, and that's why I get angry when some people leave it in the comment section and say, "This girl, you talk too much." Man, I talk too much. All this negotiation deal, this cheap deal I bring for you guys, how do you think I was able to do? Was it not by talking too much? Was it not by talking too much? Even all those times that I say you push not pay 100K for form again, that issue, it's not by talking too much. And I know it's all these book people, people that did not have money, because few people that have money don't use such comments. I've started blocking people that say I talk too much, because it's this talking too much that I used to talk with them. Like, imagine having chain of guys that you have to argue with and say, no, it's like this, it's clinical, trying to use girls code for them. You know how that's how I talk too much. Please don't let me put hands inside your eye. So moving on, is actually a 3 years work permit. It's 3 years. So regardless of the job you're going for this, you're going for that, it is a 3 years work permit, closed work permit, and that's it. So guys, now because this video is short, when did that one start? Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks, bye.